Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the Elegant Carmine Plate Helm in Crimson Desert. Now over here on my location, I'm pretty much right here under the Crimson Desert. If you want a better way of locating yourself, just check over here to the Crimson Desert and a little bit over to the right of E, go straight down as you can see right here. And there's also an Anubis Nexus that you can collect. Now the place that you're going to be looking for is a Time Ruins Ironcrawler Station. In the station right here, there's going to be a little house that you can enter with the use of a key. Just hold down E to open it, and then you should be able to find the blueprint for the plate helm over here on the corner. Now you are going to steal this, so make sure you have a mask on, and then when you steal it, run as fast as you can to get out of the area. Once you've taken the blueprint, make sure to examine it inside your inventory, open the book, and then hold control for the blueprint. Now if you are wondering where you can craft that plate helm, just approach any smithy in any town. For example right here, this is the smithy in Hernand. Press down crafting and go over to plate equipment right here and you can find the Elegant Carmine Plate Helm. And this is the stats for the Elegant Carmine Plate Helm. It offers 7 on defense at a refinement of level 4 and has 1 slot for an abyss gear. And this is how the helm would look like on Damien. And that's pretty much about it on how to get the Elegant Carmine Plate Helm in Crimson Desert.